The other function of the registrar that I would like to talk about in detail is how to complete your e-Dividend mandate form. The steps include visit your registrar's website and download the form, fill in your details such as your full name, your signature, and your passport, including the companies whose shares you own. Submit via email, your bank branch, or online. Some registrars now support full e-submission. That is, you have to do everything on the website. Alternatively, use the Securities and Exchange Commission's e-Dividend portal. However, it is important to note that some investors report getting paid without it. The inconsistency in enforcement is a major issue. Personally, I believe requiring an e-mandate form is redundant because every investor's BVN and NIN are already linked to their brokerage and bank accounts. These unique identifiers should be sufficient to ensure dividend payments. Regulators need to revamp this outdated process to make dividend collection seamless for all investors.